Hi and welcome at No Informatics. This is a quick guide on AnyDesk, our preferred app for remote support. To download the app, in your browser search for AnyDesk.com, and with all the possible websites to choose from, ensure that you open the official AnyDesk site. With the AnyDesk website open, download AnyDesk, and again make sure it's AnyDesk and not any other sneaky something on offer. Now you can open the AnyDesk.exe file, and there are two possibilities. In your browser, using the shortcut key Ctrl+J, that's one possibility, or from your download file, choosing AnyDesk.exe. To install AnyDesk on your computer, with the app open and on the installation tab, select Accept and Install. Then the next window will prompt you to confirm that AnyDesk may make changes to your computer, and you select, of course, Yes. And then voila, you're ready to go. If you want to, you may select Get Started to learn more about AnyDesk. When you open AnyDesk now, you will see your unique number, and by sharing it, you enable consultants to remotely log into your computer to assist with issues. And it is as easy as select your number, copy, open Skype, paste, and send it. And of course, you may also use other means of communication. Lastly, when the consultant responds, a window will open on your screen prompting you to accept or dismiss the connection. And you'll need to accept this. And then also take note that apart from your unique ID number as we used in this guide, AnyDesk allows you to also connect via your computer's alias as created on the app. And that's it. Thank you for using our software. Please contact us if you need any more information. No Informatics, because it is good to know.